It's your boy Richman Rashad and welcome back to another video, man. Today I'm here with the OG, the man himself, man. How old are you today, sir?
65 years old.
How long you been doing this for?
I've been doing this for 45 years.
You look great for 65.
Thank you, man.
You look amazing. What is one advice you have for the young generation of people your age that don't work out?
Take care of the body, believe in God, and always respect your oldest.
Yes, sir. God is almighty and respect comes a long way. I don't know this man, but we bound the base of how we work out and the respect I have toward my elder people. But what is like one thing you say to me as a young man that I want to accomplish something with my life right now? For the young generation, what is one thing you have for the young generation?
Always take care of yourself and take care of your mind, and always work better what you do every day.
Yes, sir. I really appreciate that, man. As you can see, we about to get into work. We up early in the morning and you in the bed, man. Make some with your life. Wake up, work on yourself, be productive. That's the mindset. A rich mindset, start over here. It's not the money that makes you rich, it's your mindset. Let's get it. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Let's go, my man. We gonna work. We gonna work.
Yes, sir.
It's not about the numbers. It's about the qualities.
Yes, sir.
Each one teach one, like I said. Let's work. It's about the numbers, quality. Nice, cool, calm, and collected.
Yes, sir.
Gotta feel the pain.
Yes.
Gotta feel the pain. Head tuck.
Okay.
Arms straight out. There you go.
Oh,
Take your time. There you go. Take your time. Head down. Head down. There you go. No, slow down. Slow down. That's the whole thing. There you go. The hang. Now the pull. See the difference? There you go. Come on, make me look good at this, big guy. Good set. Breathe, breathe. Just only 4. Rest, rest. Only 4. Only 4. Only 4.
I did 4.
Only 4, because I need you to get the quality.
Yes.
Breathe, 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 breathe.
That actually hurts.
Stay in
I ain't
the
gonna lie,
video.
guys. Yes, sir. I'm here with you.
Stay in the video. Stay in the moment. Come on, work with me.
4.
Watch the definition. It's
sir.
not the numbers.
Yes, sir.
It's the quality. Come on, I need you to breathe. I need you to breathe.
Guys, check him out.
See how slow it is?
Yes,
It
sir.
hurts. Calm, cool, collected. Come on, vital points. I need all vital points locked in.
Yes, sir.
If you give me 2 perfect ones like that, we good.
Got
It's
you.
not about the numbers. Come on, work with me, big guy.
He's right.
Take your time, take your time. Deep breath, deep breath. Deep breath. Head down, head up. There you go. Deep breath, deep breath. Pull. There you go. Relax, relax. That's good. Relax. Last one. It's not about the numbers. Save it, save it, save it. It's all right. Last set. Last
This is
set.
hard, I ain't gonna lie.
It's all right. We're gonna grow together. We're gonna grow together.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna grow together.
Tell him.
We're gonna grow together.
Listen,
No
I see-
competition. I respect you just coming out here early in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Most cats are sitting there hungover, all weeded out.
Yeah.
Last
No
set.
drugs. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
It's about the number. Watch this one number I give you. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Come on, animal. Work for this one, animal. Come on, animal. Work. Work.
Let's get it.
Good money. Work for this one, animal. Oh, do it hurt? Work for it, animal. Work for it, animal. Come on, work, man.
Shit.
You up. Just give
Get
me
it.
2.
Got you.
Straight. Leave the bench there, cause that's the, you're burning a lot of energy cause you're jumping up. That's a set right there.
Okay.
So if you ain't gotta jump up there, and you could take your time setting yourself up, you ain't burnt out already.
No.
Now when you jump up there, you gotta rush cause your hands is hurting, and then you gotta pull, and then you gotta concentrate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Step up. The waist is, come on, work with me. Pull. Here you go, good set. Good hang, keep the body still. Oh, that's a good stretch, man. Good stretch, good meditation on top. Good set, man. Pull, 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 pull. Relax, relax. Don't rush, don't rush, don't rush. Good set, man, that's it. God bless you, man.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.